Okay, you guys, I'm wearing the same sweater that I do in every single one of these videos, so if you've been here before or for a while, then you know we're about to do a ThredUp DIY designer unboxing. Let's go. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived at my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark. I also sell locally at an antique mall and occasionally, very, very occasionally, let's make that clear, on Mercari, Depop, and Facebook Marketplace. And I have a very large ThredUp addiction. I am a ThredUp Ambassador, which nowadays, I think starting in July or August, means that I get $25 of credits a month to spend on the website. I don't have to use them right away. I can save them up and then make a purchase, which is what I normally do. So I did use some credits for this DIY designer box that we're about to open on camera. I paid $99.99. This was after they instituted the $9.99 shipping fee. I'm not too happy about that, but that's a story for another day. This came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I've had hit or miss and mostly miss luck with these boxes, but from the last one that I unboxed, I had a Prada bag and I sold that for I think $225 on Poshmark, so that was a decent sale. There's 7 items in this box. The DIY indicates that they could possibly have flaws that need to be fixed. Not always the case. Sometimes you get items that are in great condition. With the price I paid for this box with my credits, it works out to about $14.28 per item. And yeah, I ordered this on August 29th. It's November. So yeah, things have been wild and crazy up in here. I got my invoice here, and if I can get this to work, it's been a while. Here is the first look. All right, so we definitely have a bag in there, some shoes, a houndstooth pattern. Let's dig in. I've been watching a lot of Lindsey Clark here on YouTube, and she has a lot of the DIY designer unboxings on there, and I'm always super jealous of all the good finds she gets in hers, so maybe she will send me some luck in this one. So this first item, not really what I would call a designer item, at least for the price per item that I'm paying, almost $15. But this is Michael Kors. Just the regular Michael Kors. It is patent leather, and it does have some marks, as you probably saw a few seconds ago. I've never had success getting stuff out of patent leather, so if you have any suggestions, please let them know. Please let me know, not them. And there's like a piece of confetti or something stuck here that I don't know, I might be able to get that off, but oh, it sounds terrible when you open it. It's just a little clutch inside. There is the Michael Kors nameplate and one little slip pocket, and then a little tab in here that says made in Korea, I think that says. I can't really read it, but yeah. Patent leather. It's a strange color. It almost looks green. I don't know. Not too impressed with that guy, but I mean, I will still list it so I can recoup my costs. All right, so this houndstooth piece is Gianni Versace. I've never sold Versace before. The tag is definitely quite a bit faded. Not sure if this is possibly a vintage piece. It does say 100%, I think that says rayon. It's a size 42. It is a skirt though, and skirts do not really do great for me, but it is fall now, and houndstooth, I think, usually does pretty well for the fall time. It does have a back zip, so maybe this will be okay. It's like a pencil skirt, I think. I'm not the best with fashion terminology, so please forgive me. It does have a few pulls on the front here. If you guys can see, I might be able to just like push those back through. I'll have to check. And then at the bottom, it has some of the lining has detached from the main fabrics, so I'll have to make sure I disclose that. I don't sew, so I wouldn't fix that on my own, but we'll see. This one's meh as well. All right, let's tackle the shoes. We have some Prada shoes in here. Here is the label. I've gotten Prada almost every time I've ordered one of these boxes, and I think it's only sold for me one time out of all the boxes. So yeah, not my favorite. These are cork wedges with like the jute espadrille on the bottom. Don't know what size these are. There is nothing on the bottom that has the size, and without a size, I don't know if I could sell them, so hopefully I can find it somewhere on a strap. All right, it looks like there's something here. 39 it says on the strap, so definitely some discoloration on the leather. There's a little chunk of the jute taken out down here. Yeah, overall just lots of discoloration to the leather. I'm not sure if you'll even really be able to see that on camera. The bottoms look okay though, not super worn out, but definitely still listable. Oh, I see a Novacek pattern in there, so there must be a Burberry piece. Oh, these are two different things. Okay. First, we have Helmut Lang, another thing that I wouldn't really consider designer, and definitely not for this price point per item. I don't know what size this is. There are no other tags inside this garment at all. So yeah, that's probably why ThredUp didn't take this, because they don't take things without a size, but it's a little sheer black with the white trim. It's got a cutout in the back right here. But yeah, no size, so we'll have to see about this. Yeah. Okay. Next we have, this is not my favorite box already. This is from Parker. I have sold this once before. I got it in a mystery box from another reseller and sent it into the RealReal. I was selling on the RealReal at that time. This is a size small. It doesn't really have the best resale value. It kind of looks almost like a houndstooth print, so similar to the Versace skirt. It's a short, like a mini dress. I like the sleeves. It feels nice. I don't know what material it is. 100% silk. I mean, so that's a plus. I just, again, paying $15 a piece. I definitely wouldn't pick this up at a thrift store for that price, but it is cute, and I don't see, at least at first glance, any flaws. Like, there don't seem to be any runs in the silk, but also it's a pattern, so it'd be harder to see. But it looks good to me, at least right now. We have another pair of shoes in here. Okay, I think this says Todd's. I've never gotten this brand or even seen it in a thrift store before. I've seen it in other people's videos, but I'm pretty sure that says Todd's. Definitely says Todd's on the bottom. These are like a driving moccasin or loafer suede leather. They're a size 39.5. Yeah, they're definitely dirty. Definitely been worn. So probably won't sell for the most. And they're also definitely have been worn by someone who maybe had like a bunion or something, because they jet out here on both sides, and it doesn't look like that's the style. So yeah, but quite a bit of wear and dirt. I don't think a suede brush and suede cleaning will really do much to help that, so I don't know about these. And this might be the last, yeah, I think this is the last item. This is the Burberry piece. So this is Burberry Brit. I have gotten Burberry quite a few times in these boxes. I haven't listed any of them because they all needed cleaning. Let's see if I can find a size. I've never found sizes on any of the other Burberry jackets I've gotten. This one has like a lining that you can zip in or out. And then the Novacek pattern. This is like their classic signature pattern underneath. Let me check the pockets. I know a lot of times the size for jackets is in pockets. Nothing there. In the right pocket. Nothing there in the left pocket. Made in Turkey. Oh, here it is. It's underneath the little made in Turkey tag. USA size 12. So, I mean, there is quite a bit of lint, if you can see, on like this lining part, but I don't think that really matters. Let's see what the outside looks like. It does have the hood still attached, which is great. The Novacek pattern does show on the sleeves, which is good. That's a nice selling point, but there is quite a bit of dirt on the Novacek part. I mean, you don't have to wear it cuffed, but they've definitely had it cuffed for quite a long time that there's now a mark there. So I'll have to see if maybe I can get this clean, maybe oxy soak it or something. I don't quite know. I haven't, like I said, I haven't done anything with any of the other jackets from Burberry that I have because they've all been like dry clean only. Yeah, dry clean with any solvent except, I'm not even gonna try to say that, well, I guess I am, trichloroethylene. So I don't know, but other than that, it looks okay. Besides the hood, it looks like there's a flaw here with the little elastics on the hood. But yeah, everything else looks okay. Just maybe needs a clean, and I could probably still list it and just, you know, show that the cuffs have quite a bit of staining, so they will need to be taken care of. But yeah, I'm not upset with this. I would definitely have paid $15 for the Burberry jacket, so let's count up what we have. So that's 1 with the Burberry. The silk Parker dress is 2. Prada heels 3. The Todd Mox is 4. The Helmut Lang crop top or whatever that is 5. The Versace skirt 6, and the Michael Kors clutch is 7. So 7 pieces, right about $100 is what I paid. So $14.28 per item. This is just about on par with my previous experience with the designer boxes. None of them have been like out of this world, with the exception of the men's designer. I have gotten that box twice, and every time it's been great. I got a Canada Goose jacket in the first one that sold for $400, and I got a New Tags Todd Snyder suede bomber jacket in the second one, and that just sold this month, November, for $400 also. Today's the last day that the buyer has to rate me on Poshmark, so hopefully that goes through, because that was a really crucial sale for me, and I'm really excited about it. But yeah, the DIY designer boxes have not been awesome. I guess my favorite item out of this box is probably the Burberry jacket. I'm interested to see what this Versace skirt might go for, just because it's a classic houndstooth print. But I do have to address those flaws and maybe try to shove those little pulls back, and then note, oh, it does have a stain on it too that I'm just seeing. You guys probably won't be able to tell, but right here there is some yellowing, so I'm gonna guess this is probably dry clean only too, but I can't read the tag anymore, other than it says 100% rayon and then 100% wool. So the lining is rayon and the outer fabric is a wool. So yeah, don't know what I will do about that. Oh, there's more stains on the bottom over here. So yeah, that's about how I feel about these. But let me know what you thought of this box down below. The original normal price is $140 for 7 items. So that's, what, $20 a piece roughly. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this box, what your favorite item is from this box. Have you had good experience with these if you've ordered them? Because right now I'm not feeling the best about this box, but I'm gonna go right into filming because I have two more. One just arrived right before I sat down to film this one, and I'm gonna go right into filming another one. So if you guys see me, well, when you guys see me looking exactly the same, just don't pay it no mind. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from me. And as always, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here in my weird little family on the internet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.